you, sir.
KG vegetables, fresh vegetables, come here. KG 10 rupees, KG 10 rupees. Fresh vegetables, come here. What do you want?
I want onions, tomatoes, chilies, and curry leaves.
Okay. Take it.
Thank you. Lakshmi, take this.
Everyone is talking about Diwali. Can we buy crackers too?
No, Che, we are so poor. We can't celebrate this year.
But Mother, Diwali is about happiness. Why must poverty take ours away? Mama and Papa, I will go to park. Okay, Priya. While going to park, take care. Bye. Bye. Why are you looking so sad? Because we are not celebrating Diwali because we are so poor. Don't worry, you can celebrate with us. My family has so many piles of crackers. Really? Thank you, Priya. You are so kind. Mother, my friend called me to home because to fire the crackers. Can I go?
You can go, but be careful.
Okay, Mother.
Okay.
Priya, where are you? Hi, Janmani. Come with me. Mama, Papa.
What, Priya?
She is my new friend, Janmani. We meet at the park.
Why do you friendly with the poor girl? Send out her immediately.
She looks innocent, but perhaps your father is right. I only wanted to celebrate with a friend. What happened, Janvi? What's happened, Janvi? Recording you.
We were wrong, Janavi. You saved my daughter. Forgive us. We judged you by poverty. We see today your truth, kindness and richness. Our child courage is greater than riches. Now she shown us what unity means.
Janvi, you are my best